collectors, finally Hot Wheels has showcased some upcoming new cars from a future cases in a shortcut version. So our first car is a Mighty K, a Batmobile. A 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata. A Volkswagen T2 pickup. A trouble-decker. A 57 Chevy. A Corvette Stingray. A 1994 Audi Avant RS2. A lay-in lowrider. A 52 Chevy. A fire ram. A mod speeder. Surf Duty. A heavy etcher. A mainline version of a 1971 El Camino. A El Cigano Coupe. Brick and mortar. A Lolux. Custom auto. And a supercharged. Now let's check out new upcoming mainline car as a recolor for a 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This time in a complete white paint job with a red spoiler and a golden spoke wheels. And it got a black interior. New upcoming 1:43 scale model of a 1969 Ford Mustang with opening front engine hood, and it got a detailed engine. A RLC exclusive, a 2023 mainline factory sealed set. The price of this set is $600. Releasing on January 16th, 2024, 9 AM Pacific time. For more info, check out the links in the description. Now let's check out new upcoming Racerverse series. So our first character is a Buzz Lightyear. Our second character is a Captain Hook. A Green Goblin and a Spider-Man. And the last set is a Hulk and Iron Man. Now let's check out some sneak peek of an upcoming cars and will be in Hot Wheels mainline. So our first car is a Mighty K in a complete yellow paint job with a surf skate, initials on sides, and it got a 5-spoke white wheels. A second car is a 1994 Audi Avant RS2 in a metallic red paint job with the details of headlights, tail lights, black interior, and it got a 5-spoke chrome wheels. A Nissan Petrol Custom in a complete metallic green paint job with a mountain rescue and snow decals on sides and with the off-road white wheels. A Audi RS e-tron GT in a complete metallic dark green paint job with the details of headlights, taillights and a grey spoke wheels. And it got a front and rear license plate has a amped up. New upcoming Ford Superman 4 in a complete metallic white paint job with a 10-spoke blacked out wheels and with a Ford Pro Productivity Accelerated initials on sides. A new casting as a Jaguar MK1. A recolor for a custom auto in a two-tone paint job, white on the top and the green on the sides and with the racing black stripes on body. A Ford GT40 in a complete metallic blue paint job with a blacked out front bonnet and it got a 8 number decals on body and with a 5-spoke blacked out wheels. A GT Srotcher with a complete details, pink 10-spoke wheels on front and blacked out disc wheels on rear. And it got a GT Srotcher initials on sides. A drift and rig in a complete neon paint job with a chrome interior and with the racing decals on body. A custom 1972 Chevy Love in a metallic green paint job with a chrome interior, chrome engine, chrome grills and with the chrome wheels. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.